Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, so let's finally take a look at the cryptocurrency market. Our trading setup is working nice, so we last time suggested the pullback somewhere to the 85 area, and not because the bearish context is changing, but purely to technical factors, because market is strongly oversold and it just needs to take some breath and show the relief. So that's actually what's going on right now. So this setup is working. In a longer term perspective, today we see some warning factor for all fans of the cryptocurrency market that actually stands not good to them. I'm speaking about potential big drop of the United States yields. On the first glance, it might be good and interesting because it suggests cutting of the rate from the Fed. Correspondingly, usually it supports the Bitcoin, but the problem is that a recent drop in on the bond market was not due to changes of some Fed policy, but rising fears of the recession. When recession comes, it means bad times for the stock market. And once stocks will keep falling, investors will need more and more cash to fulfill the margin obligations that they have. Correspondingly, they will start selling anything and everything that they have in the pockets to get this cash, and Bitcoin will become the first in all this queue of the assets for selling. So maybe later, when some time will pass and actually in Fed indeed will start cutting rate, everything will come down, dust will settle, and demand for Bitcoin will return. But before that, and in an initial stage of this collapse, it will be really tough times for the Bitcoin. I will not be surprised if market will drop further. This is first moment. Just take a look at the 10-year bonds. I was showing it actually today already a few times on Euro currency research and gold market video, but also here is also important. This is big monthly evening star pattern. It suggests drop somewhere back to the 3.6, 3.7. It might be also by the reasons of the recession. That's currently is rising day by day. So that's what I'm speaking about. At the same time, this recent drop on the Bitcoin market looks not quite natural, and a lot of rumors and suggestions stand around it. So investors are frustrating with the Donald Trump Bitcoin reserve report. They're angry that actually Donald Trump used his power to manipulate the Bitcoin market. If he would try to do the same on the stock market, he might be jailed. So because this is forbidden by the United States law. But there is no same law for the Bitcoin market, and he could speak everything what he wants, moving markets up and down, and make possible for close people to him to make the money. That's actually why investors are so angry. So first, he pushed price higher when start talking about reserve. Next day, when actually the Reserve Act was very formal, market drops back. So that brings no positivity to the investors' mood currently, and make them be actually not happy. So on the longer term charts, we do not have a lot of new things. Market mostly is calling around the 80 even area. As I said, I'm not exclude the chances that market will show another leg down somewhere to the 68.70, and that will become indicative level. So last time we talked in details about this. I do not want to repeat this again, but currently we consider overall performance as a bearish. On the weekly chart, you could see a response of the market to the oversold, as we said. So this retracement this week has happened. Nothing more stands on the weekly chart. Most interesting thing stands on the daily and longer time frames. On the daily, the pullback starts right from the point that we said. Also, we warned that be prepared that market will try to complete the COP first, and then pullback, shows the pullback next. And actually this has happened, market just barely hasn't reached it because of the oversold condition. I would say if we wouldn't have the oversold, I'm sure that the COP has been completed first and then market starts up reduction. Whatever it was, currently you could see that price is flirting with the MACD, which is potentially might lead to appearing of the bearish grabber. Bearish grabber will suggest the drop below these lows and correspondingly continuation of a major tendency that we are considering. On the 4 time frame chart, it might take a shape of the butterfly. Actually, we already talked about this. And take a look, the first target of the butterfly will be around precisely 74 area. That's what also mentioned. So on the weekly chart, this is actually next fib support, 74. And butterfly might complete here right around the weekly oversold as well. So 74, 75, 73.50, this is the cluster that we are watching for the next time as the next downside destination point. So today we have to pay attention to the grabber. It might be very important. Why? Actually, on lower time frames, as you could see, this 4 time frame chart, market is coming to resistance that we have specified, 85. Overall price action is very choppy. We don't have any clear acceleration, some kind of really wobbling action. And appearing of the grabber, when the market stands on the confluence resistance, that might be the very important reason to seriously consider chances for taking the short position. That's why. Also pay attention how market behaves with the OP. We have warned that market could try to complete the OP first before our prediction starts. That has happened. So our prediction starts not from this one, but OP has been reached and then retracement starts. So currently, as you could see, everything goes with the plan. I do not see some reasons to change anything. One thing that I just would like to call you to keep an eye on the grabber. Appearing of the grabber will bring a bit more confidence to actually considering a bearish position taken on the Bitcoin market tomorrow probably. So supposedly this area currently looks also acceptable for downside continuation. So market could start downward action right from here as well. The only reason why all this stuff might be broken, and if market will just show some breakout to the upside, I see in some external events that has no market nature. So it might be some speech, some decision making, some comments from the power people like Donald Trump, for example. He could say something and actually make the big impact on the performance. By the overall situation on the markets, I do not see a good background for Bitcoin right now. Sell-off on the stock market still stands on the way. Investors accumulating cash, and this keep Bitcoin market under pressure.